How to request money on Google Pay in less than 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you what to do now that the request money option is no longer available on Google Pay and how you can still get paid quickly without using confusing steps or guessing. If you're looking for a request money button and can't find it, you're not alone. In many regions, Google Pay no longer allows person-to-person payment requests. This change was made to reduce scams, so the option may be completely removed from your app. This means you can't send a payment request the old way anymore, even if your app is updated. So here's what you do instead. Open the Google Pay app and make sure your account is fully set up with a linked bank account. This is important because you'll be receiving money directly, not through a request feature. Once you're on the home screen, look for your payment details such as your phone number, QR code, or payment ID. Next, share your payment details with the person who needs to pay you. The easiest way is to tap your QR code and let them scan it using their Google Pay app. You can also share your payment ID or registered phone number so they can send the money manually. This replaces the old request feature and works immediately. Once they send the payment, the money goes straight to your linked bank account. You'll get a notification confirming the payment so you know it went through successfully. There's no approval step needed on your end, which actually makes the process faster. If the other person doesn't use Google Pay, you can still receive money as long as they use a compatible payment app and your region supports transfers. The key is that the sender must start the payment themselves. The main thing to remember is this. If you don't see a request money option on Google Pay, it's not a bug or a setting you missed. It's a feature change. Sharing your QR code or payment details is now the correct and reliable way to get paid on Google Pay.